Hey beautiful, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, you're welcome, and if you are a subscriber, hey, welcome back. Okay guys, today if you want to see how I achieve this, just keep watching. And if you are new here and you don't know what I do, this channel is all about and fashion, yeah, hair, makeup, and any other thing. So if you want to see how I achieve this thing, keep watching. From Beauty Bay, see how beautiful it is. So the next color now is this. Apply here the inner color, both inner and outer color. So guys, for my black eyeshadow to stay, I will be using this concealer for my eyelid here. This is not cut crease, guys. I just want the black eyeshadow to stay put and not falling over. Okay, so guys, for the next eyeshadow, which is black, I'll be using this flat brush, but I'm going to spray it with my this. So guys, my next shadow will be taken from this palette. This color right here. Okay, so the next brush I'll be using is I got this from Beauty Bay and it's so cute. See the packaging is so cute. I love it. So I'll be taking this color number 8. It is called precise blending brush. I will go in with the second eyeshadow, the second palette, and the eyeshadow we use this just to blend the edges. You know, we don't want to see any harsh line there. to take out the fallout, all this. So I'll use Garnier cleansing water to clean it, then I'll be back. For primer, I'll be using this. For my foundation, I'll be using Milani 2-in-1 foundation 0910 and L.A Girl Pro Cover HD. I'll mix the two together to get my actual shade. The first one I applied was the Milani. For my concealer, I will be using Wet n Wild photofocus concealer. Oh, it's too, oh my gosh, it's too light, I don't like it. Yeah, work it out. I'll be using the same sponge to blend it out. Wow, that's Milani Mineral Compact Makeup. This. So that's what I'll be using now to set up my face. So guys, to set my face, I'll be using Revolution makeup, this one. For the so I will do the rest of camera, then I'll be back. Here we are. This is the final look. Okay, please like, comment and subscribe. Thank you.